It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise.
I always apply moisturizer and spray Fix Plus before applying foundation and massage my face with a damp beauty blender. Then I use orange color for color correcting my dark circle. You can use any color correcting cream product if you want. Here I am using a cream lipstick. Then I am taking my holy grail foundation, which is Fenty Beauty. By the way guys, if you are wondering about my shade number, it is 310. The brush I am using to buff the foundation into my face is Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. This foundation brush, you need to keep it in your makeup vanity because this one brush will last you for a long time and will give you a flawless finish. If you are planning to purchase this product, use my code Trishita, you will get 10% discount. And whenever you purchase any Sigma product, use my code Trishita to get 10% discount always. Keep that in mind. Take your MAC Fix Plus, spray into your face, then use your beauty blender to blend the foundation again. Your makeup will not only last all day long but also give you a flawless, seamless finish. To highlight and conceal, here I am using Tarte Shape Tape and the shade I use is medium. I am going to conceal my under eye area and highlighting bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, jawline and forehead. And with my damp beauty blender, I am blending all of this. If you want, you can bake your face or else you can use this technique. Let's get girly. No worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. After all the setting process, I always prefer cream contour first, then powder contour. It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze, fuel teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to. To make my contour a bit sharper, I am taking a highlighting setting powder. And help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. And that's it. This is how I always try to follow my foundation routine. Hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to click thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell button besides subscribe button. In this way you will get the notification whenever I will upload a new tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye beautiful.